Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how I made those shelves for my cardstock just out of one piece of wood from Ace Hardware and some plastic hooks, stick around. So Ace Hardware has this service where you can choose a piece of wood and they will cut it for you. Now they don't cut curves, only straight lines. So this is the piece of wood that I got, and it's 3 millimeters thick, and you can see the rest of the sizes here. Now once I got the sizes that I wanted, there was a little bit of leftover on the piece of wood, so I just thought I'd cut them down also and take them with me so that I don't keep any waste, and I will be using them anyway. So the name of this wood is white-faced hardboard, and these are the sizes and the price. So I sort of wanted to seal the sides of the wood because it was raw and it was flaking once I pulled the drawers out. So I had this laying around, and because I didn't have white paint, and I painted it on the sides of the wooden boards. So this is the situation that we are dealing with at the moment. So let's clean it up and empty it out. So this is the Kallax unit from Ikea or Ikea, and usually this is where I used to store all my sticker paper, my photo paper, some craft paper as you can see here, some vinyl stickers and so on, magnetic sheets, basically all types of paper that I can print on. So these wooden pieces that you see here are usually used for lids for the kitchen, and I separated the two pieces and so that I can space them to keep my papers on them. Then I gave the space a bit of a cleanup and a wipe down because you want those sides to be very clean because we're going to stick the shelf hooks right on there. So the sizes that I cut are 33 centimeters by 37, which is slightly less than the Kallax cube. And the reason being is I wanted a little bit of space. As you can see here, you see that wiggle room. I need that for the hooks that I'm going to keep on both the sides. So let me show you the star of this video, which are these hooks that I will show you at the end of this video where I got them from, so stick around. And this is more or less how the shelves are going to look like. So the first thing I wanted to do is create a straight line so that when I'm sticking my hooks, I want them all to be level and equal, stuck all in the same area. So I went 2 inches in, and I'm going to mark a straight line with a pencil so that I can stick all the stickers down on that line. Once we got that done, get your hooks, peel the backing from it, and carefully align it. Now the good thing about these is, as you can see here, when I put it down, I had to lift it back up. So as long as you don't press so hard, you can still lift it back up. So I'm trying to align it here and I'm lifting it back up, as you can see, and it comes out fairly easy. So what I'm trying to do is keep it, because this is the first piece, which is going to be your guideline for the rest. So I'm trying to align it with the pencil line and the top of the shelf as well. So I'm going to continue doing this fairly slowly and being very careful, as you can see over here. And I am not pressing it at all. I'm just lightly placing it because I'm not committing just yet. And shout out to me for being upside down, trying to get those in place and film at the same time. So once I put the 4 on the sides, I am putting in my shelf so that I can see if everything is okay. And as you can see, this is how it looks like, and it looks perfect. You might want to seal those edges towards the end with some white paint. And as you can see, it's very sturdy, like the shelf is not going anywhere. Now that that is fine, I am pressing harder on the hooks so that I commit to that space. Now for the second hooks, what I did and the size that I want is I'm putting the edge of my hook up to the other hook. So I'm getting a space of about 1.5 inches in between. So I'm just showing you here again how sturdy these hooks are. And if you can see, there's a hole over there. So if you want to drill a nail over there, that's completely fine. So after I placed all the hooks, now I am just testing and seeing how the shelves will look like. And I'm also putting a little bit of pressure just to see if they're going to break or fall or anything of that sort. So I'm just placing random objects and just giving them a little bit of pressure so that I can see how much they can take. And as you can see, they are pretty sturdy. They are not going anywhere. Another type of hooks that I got, which are these, which is kind of a double hook, but I'm not using these for this time. Once you put all your hooks on, now I'm placing the shelves in place. Also, please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell if you guys like my content. So these are the other shelves that I got from the leftover of the wooden piece, and this is the comparison of the size compared to the main shelf that we made. So let me just flip it over to show you a contrast in color. Here are the sizes again that I used for this project, and as you can see, I wanted to create a notch over here to pull out the shelves or to pick up the papers from the shelves, but as I mentioned before, Ace only makes straight lines and they do not make shelves. So it's 33 centimeters this way by 37 centimeters that way. And the thickness is 3 millimeters. So this is an up-close look at the shelf hooks or brackets actually, and if you see this little notch over here, that's the space that I left while cutting my shelves because I wanted to compensate for this space. Now they also have the option of drilling a nail. They keep a hole in there. That's completely up to you and for the purposes you're going to be using these brackets for. So I got these from Timo and I will leave a link below. And as you can see, there is also this other type. I haven't used this one yet, but I'm sure I'll find a project for it. So this is the final result after I have placed everything. So I put my matte stickers, my glossy stickers, my vinyl stickers, craft paper, and ice gold paper. And I had this space here for my sealer. Here are my matte photo paper, and these on top are the glossy photo paper. Alright you guys, this is it for this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you like these tutorials or any kind of other crafty videos.